To make money online easy. I know you're probably thinking, if it was so easy, everybody would be doing it. And you're right. The thing is, everybody doesn't necessarily have the scoop, the step by step that makes this program that has taught me the skills how to make 100% profit from done for you digital products may have. So a few things that make this so easy for the absolute beginner is that the program pays you 100% profit. So if you're struggling and need to make money online fast, this allows you to learn the skills to earn 100% profit from somebody else's products that you didn't have to create. 100%, I don't know any other program that pays better than 100%. And it's all based around a 2-hour workday. So you can do it around your schedule. 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there, an hour there, during the pockets of your day, because this interactive program trains you in a way that you can plug in to the classroom to learn and earn around your schedule. And what I love most is there's no tech, right? Tech gives me the willies when having to build and try to program and all that stuff. And that's why things like this for me haven't worked in the past. The thing here with this program is there's no tech. The products are done for you and the system is pre-built. All you have to do is connect it so you can get paid and you can get the leads. And it's completely automated. A freedom machine, if you will. It's based around a 2-hour workday. But the system doesn't only work 2 hours. The 2-hour workday teaches you the skills to get customers to discover your automated system. But the automated system, again, that's pre-built for you, works 24/7, doing all the selling, all the telling, and all the closing of those customers so you don't have to. And I love the fact that it was a low one-time investment. And not only that, I'm able to run this with no monthly fees. And the best part, if you don't have a whole bunch of money to invest up front for something like this, they offer pay over time options where you're able to spread out the upfront payment over time, still enroll, still get all the bonuses, and the 4 income streams that pay you 100% profit, all on the plan that you pay over time and still earn 100% commissions while you're learning. And what I love most in the time that I've been doing this, I've never heard the word no, because the system's automated and people put their email in to go through the automated sales process. So if they don't like what they see once they get into the sales funnel, they just scroll to the bottom of the email and simply click unsubscribe. No harm, no foul to us. So the system continues to sort through the people that's interested, the people that aren't, remove themselves, allowing you to not have to follow up, not have to cold call people, not have to DM people, not have to cold email people, not to beg friends and family to decide if they want to or want to not ghost you on what it is you're doing. This puts all the pieces together that may have been the holes and things that you've tried before, or as an absolute beginner, takes the guesswork out of it. This program is designed for you to set up within the first 24 hours and put you on the learn and earn path to launch your business and profit within 7 days. You get daily live instruction, weekly live Zoom instruction and mentorship, along with question and answer. And there's a community of over 40,000 people that have discovered this program and are learning the skills to earn daily pay up to $900 a day from these programs. To check it out, go to getdailypayments.com. That's getdailypayments.com. And I will link in the description the information as well to check it out. The Legacy Builders program inside the digital growth community will help you learn and earn how to build a daily paying customer base digitally in 2 hours a day. All you have to do is get started. GetDailyPayments.com, and I hope to see you on the inside.